Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the Photos app open and the live photo already taken. First, confirm the live badge shows at top left. That tells you the file contains motion. Tap the image to view it full screen, then swipe up on the photo to reveal effects. Once done, you'll see loop, bounce, and long exposure options. These are the controls you'll use to change playback behavior. Now you'll apply the bounce effect so the photo plays forward then reverses smoothly. Tap bounce. The Photos app generates a looping sequence automatically by reversing frames to create that signature rebound. Make sure to watch the preview twice so you can judge timing and motion. If the start or end frames look abrupt, choose loop instead or edit the live photo's key photo before reapplying. With bounce applied, you can share the live photo as a looping file or convert it to a GIF when sending through some apps. Use share to pick the format. If you change your mind, open the photo, swipe up and choose revert to original to remove effects. If bounce doesn't apply or plays strangely, force close photos and reopen, or toggle live photo off then on for that image. These steps refresh the cached preview and usually fix playback hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.